Hey everybody, it's Jodi from the North of Boston Lifestyle Guide, and I am here with Sally of the Village Studio in North Andover. It's a beautiful, beautiful store.
Hi everyone. As Jodi said, I'm Sally. I'm one of the owners of the Village Studio. We are an all-women owned business. There are 3 owners currently. We started last June. This was sort of a pandemic project for us. I know a lot of people have pandemic projects, but deciding to open up the shop was an extension of the artisan market at the Mills, which is a fair that we started here in North Andover about 4 years ago and had so much fun doing it. We decided to make it a more permanent fixture. One of the things that we do that I think makes us pretty unique is everything in our store is handmade by local artisans. We represent about 140 different people, all from the New England area.
And that is exactly the kind of business that we are trying to highlight in the Lifestyle Guide. Businesses that are supporting other businesses and lifting others up. We'll have you maybe take us around
Sure,
and show us some things.
So we have a lot of specialty food items that we carry, anything from artisan chocolates and caramels, soups, popcorns, nuts, as well as olive oils and dips, honey, maple syrup, jams, pretty much anything you can imagine. We also have these amazing cutting boards that people like. They're made by a 15-year-old North Andover boy. Really, really impressive. This is our honey over here. So we have everything from whipped honey, tea gift sets, all kinds of great things, especially great ideas for gifts for teachers or secret Santas or things like that. These cocktail mixers, so these are super fun. They're made by a company in Portland, Maine, and you add alcohol to them and they make 5 drinks and they're super fun. We have all different flavors. We have lots of beautiful pottery from several different artisans in the local area. Anything from soup mugs to platters to painted porcelain. Over here you'll find a lot of our health and beauty products. We have soaps and body butters. We have men's shaving products, lotions, shower steamers, aromatherapy things, bath teas, so pretty much anything you'd like to use to pamper yourself, you can find over here. Household items over here, tons of different candles, sea glass items. We also have some beautiful blankets and pillow covers, some wall art. These trays are really fun. They're interchangeable. You can actually change out what's in them, just like a picture frame, so that you can buy different ones throughout the holidays or the season, so you can always have a different look. One of our most popular items are these little gnomes over here. We have different ones with every season, every holiday. You can see some jewelry over here, some more men's products. We have mittens, golf items, wallets. We also have these really popular beer candles that people love.
That's a little different.
Yes, yeah. Kind of getting into our holiday section now. With the holidays upon us, we are all decked out for Christmas. We have tons of different items, whether it's ornaments or wreaths and decor, popular for people, especially around the holidays. We have a Hanukkah section as well for those that celebrate Hanukkah. Over here, we have a lot of our signs. That's always changing, whether it's seasonal signs, holiday signs, or just generic things as well. Our jewelry section is over here. We represent a bunch of different local jewelry makers. So we have everything from copper, fused glass, sea glass, polymer clay, wood resin, you name it, we've got it. A bunch of different styles and all different varieties of jewelry. So you can check out all of those over here. And the last little section of our store, we focus on some local gifts, a lot of North Andover stuff, but many of our products can also be made and customized to the town or area that you live. We have a lot of women's accessories, anything from scarves and bags and socks this time of year. We have a lot of cowls and mittens and hats and all kinds of stuff. We also have our baby section over here with some gifts and cute hats, taggy blankets, pillows, all kinds of knit and crochet items for babies and kids. As I said, a lot of our stuff can be customized. Most of our vendors are able to take custom orders. So if you have a town or a name or something that you'd like on a product or a specific color. This is where one of our owners, Jo, teaches sewing lessons. She also fixes vintage sewing machines.